In this video, I'll show you how to make posts visible in top view and save the setting, so it will also be visible for future building projects. This is the standard view of SEMA. I already filled in the walls with timber, so when we go to 3D view, you will see it's in there, but you cannot see it in top view. So we switch to F7. And when we want to see our timber in top view, we go to Pictures and 3D, AutoCAD General, and here we click on Imaging Top View Horizontal Section, and you see it will appear. So now we can give it a color if we want to, and yeah, this is how it will look like. And in this view, there's a thing you should know. In top view, the presetting is to cut the walls at a height of 30 centimeters with a depth of 15 millimeters. So when we go to panel view, I can show you what I mean. I will draw some lines. So let's take this one, and it's 30 centimeters. And we will look 15 millimeters to here. So this area will be the shown area you can see here in top view. When you now put in some timber, for example a post, and it's above that area, you won't see it. So with this button over here, we can adjust the settings, and let's say 50 centimeters, and you see they appeared. So maybe you might think you just want to see everything, so you put in the settings to 10 meters or I don't know. But the problem is when you do it like this, you also see the top and bottom boom, and we don't want that. So let's go for the presetting. All right. And of course you can do the same for the construction plane. So if you want to save these settings for future building projects, we go back to F7. And you can simply save it for this one with save. And then you save it. And if you want to save it for future projects, you can save it as a template. So this again, and then on save. It's very important that you do not give it an individual name, so the name must stay the same.